So, a lot of my friends are asking me how I make my cocaine brownies. So, I'm gonna show you how to do it, man. But before we get started, alright, it's not actually cocaine, alright, it's powdered sugar. Alright. It's actually a Filipino dessert called crinkles. So if you're a crackhead and you hopped on this video to know how to make cocaine brownies, but you got clickbaited. Stop playing, bro. Stop playing. Oh, stop playing, man. Oh, stop playing, bro.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, let's get this started. Yes, sir. Alright, first we're gonna put a cup of cocoa powder and 2 cups of white sugar, and you're gonna mix that bit. Mix it real good. Yes, sir. Like, mix it up, bro, until it's all brown. The sugar is mixed into the cocoa powder. Then you're gonna put half a cup of vegetable oil, or what I use here is sunflower oil, which I think it will be better. But the recipe says vegetable oil, so I'll allow it. And you mix it up until it's all dark, make it crunchy. Alright, in a separate bowl, you're gonna crack 4 large eggs and whisk it up. It has to be large eggs to make the crinkles soft in the inside. You feel me? And then you're gonna put that into the mixture that we had before and mix it up. I use an electric mixer. You can use any kind of mixer, but this is just easier for me. You feel me? Like it's so much faster. You stop playing. Alright, after you mix it a bit, you're gonna put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Alright, and then mix it up more until it's more liquidy. That's not easy. It's not hard. Sorry. Bye. Alright, in another separate bowl, you gotta put 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Alright, and mix it up. Alright, this is your dry ingredients, so you gotta put in a separate bowl and mix it up. Alright, mix it up real good until all of them combine. Yes, sir. And then you're gonna put that into the liquid. Oh, bro, look at that, bro. You're gonna mix it up, bro. You probably use a spatula. Probably make it better instead of using a whisk, because it's gonna get stuck in there. So that's why you use a spatula, so it'd be easier. And it's gonna turn into like a little like doughish. It's kind of like a cookie dough. You know what I mean? It's kind of like that, right? Oh yes, sir. So look at that. Oh, stop playing, man. And then you're gonna cover that with saran wrap and put that in the fridge for 4 hours. All right, listen up. What the fuck is that transition? Alright, but you gotta put that in the fridge for 4 hours. This is important because the dough needs to get a little bit harder so you can roll it up easily without it getting in your hands and wasting all the dough, because you're gonna wash it. It's gonna be a lot of waste. That's why you gotta put that for at least 4 hours. Maybe you can do 3 hours. Yeah, you can do it. But I would suggest 4 hours to get it really nice and crispy in the outside and soft on the inside. No homo. Alright, once these 4 hours is done, you're gonna roll it up, right? Roll it up to a circle. Yes, sir. Look at that. And you dip it into cocaine. I mean powdered sugar, right? And then put that in parchment paper on your whatever your baking shit is, alright? And you put that in for 350 degrees Fahrenheit and for about 10 to 12 minutes, alright? And if you want to know if it's cooked, then you just gotta put a toothpick in your crinkles, and if there's nothing with the toothpick, then it's cooked. And that's it, bro. Whoa, look at that. Oh, damn. That's clean. Oh, that's fresh. Alright. Bro, man, I can finally prove, man. You don't understand how much I have to redo this voiceovers because I had to fart all the time. Oh my god.